Welcome to 8th Avenue Chinese Pinyin Radio. Okay, you guys, here we are, on to the final Pinyin video. Are you excited? I know I am, because I'm tired of making these videos. Anyway, now we're moving on to the U with the two little dots above it. Look at those two beautiful little dots, just glistening in the morning sun. Simply breathtaking. This is one of the harder sounds for English speakers to master. To make this sound properly, you need to try to make a long E sound. But instead of the corners of your mouth being drawn back in a shape like this, they should be in this shape, puckered up as if you're about to drink from a very, very narrow straw. Now you're still trying to say that E sound, so your tongue should stay in the same position as it is when you say that long E, but you don't let your lips move from that very narrow oo position. So it sounds like this. E, E. If you listen closely, you can tell I'm trying to say a long E, but my lips being puckered in that very, very narrow oo position holds it back. So it sounds like a combination between oo and E. Again, here it is. E, E. Now this U with the two dots above it, just glistening in the sun, is only used after the consonants J, L, N, Q, X, and Y. Okay, let's practice. G, 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 G,
G, G, G, G,
L, 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 L,
Lu, 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 Lu,
Nu, 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 Nu,
Nu, Nu, Nu, Nu,
Chu, 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 Chu.
Hola.
Chu,
¿Qué?
Chu,
Hola.
¿Qué?
Chu,
Hola.
¿Qué?
Chu,
Adiós.
Shu, 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 Shu,
Xu, 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 Xu,
Yu, 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 Yu,
Yu, Yu, Yu, Yu.
A quick note here about the U with two dots. You've probably noticed that sometimes the two dots are there, whereas other times you don't see them. That's because the letter U after certain letters sometimes makes that U sound, whereas other times it makes that OO sound. So the two dots are there to differentiate so that you'll know how to pronounce it in that particular situation. All right, And finally, we have the U with the 2 dots above it, followed by the letter E. Now, what sound does this make? Well, it sounds like this. Yue, yue. Now, notice it's not yue because this is not Spanish.
No.
Pay attention, English speakers. We're not saying yue, we're saying yue. It's a pure short E as spoken in America with that little U before it. Now, this is only used with the consonants J, L, N, Q, X, and Y. Now, notice again, it's yue. So just like above, you try to make that long E sound, but keep your lips puckered. And then you add the to the end of it. Yue, yue. Okay? Let's practice. Jue, 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 jue.
撅，撅，撅，撅，
略，略，略，略，
略，略，略，略，
虐，虐，虐，虐，
虐，虐，虐，虐，
缺，缺，缺，缺，
缺，缺，缺，缺，
学，学，学，学，
薛，学，雪，血，
约，约，约，月，
约，约，月，月。
This has been 8th Avenue Chinese Pinyin Radio.